What you doing down there? Oh, are you having fun? Yeah. Abu, you're drooling. Oh, what's wrong? How's it going? Oh, just okay? What's going on? How's your frog? Yeah, you like your frog, don't you? Frog is cute. Yeah, you think so? Are you getting ready for a nap? You've slowed down just when I get the camera. Yeah. Here, let me sit back so I can see that happy little drooly face. Oh, hi. Thank you, Boo. Yes? What does that mean? Little feet? Hey, little jumpy feet? Oh. Woohoo! What's wrong? Yeah. Oh. You silly monkey. What's that? Oh, what a smart girl. Do you like those beads? Hey, they make a nice noise. Oh, what's that mean? Do you want out of there? You've been in there long enough? Long enough for Mommy to have some breakfast? Okay. Yeah, Dada? Where's Dada? Oh. Okay. So? Hi. Hello, Veda. Hello, Veda. They're sleepy. Time for another nap? Yes? Okay. Veda slept fairly well last night. She woke up about every 3 hours. Just enough for me to get little naps. It's nice. Oh, that's a funny face. Well, that's a funny face. Oh. Okay, we'll get you out of there. Okay.